I've been working out for years now, and then, just the injury just knocked me down, and I was so defeated. You can YouTube it and you can Instagram it, but I had to get the guidance.
Yeah.
And until you take that leap of faith and say, hey, you know what, what's the worst that can happen? If I could advise anyone, it would just take that leap of faith. You don't have to go the surgical route. Ask the right questions and do the work. Just do it. In all honesty, you really saved my life. Like 28 when this happened, I was told you'll probably never move again. You'll probably end up having surgery. I'm like, it was never going to be an option, and you really gave me my life back. I don't have any sciatic issues at all. Before this, I was miserable, but I don't even have words to describe it. I just feel good. I wake up in no pain. I don't even have to think about it anymore. You're going to invest in yourself is the best investment you can ever make. I would do it over again if I had to. I would invest the money 10 times over because it works.